Morning all, welcome to the market view for Thursday the 13th of March 2014. And starting off with the daily chart, we can see the lines that we drew on yesterday where there is potential profit targets, support areas and resistance areas of where prices are likely to stop. Nothing's really changed. Yesterday the market traded below the 165.82 level and then found some support at this level, which we saw over here, which is where the market moved higher again. So no surprise really to see the market finding support and bouncing back up here as well, and also trading up to the 166 level there as well. So not 166, sorry, that's we find it for 166 level. So the market's finding some strength this morning. If we go down into the smaller time frame, we can see that the market's moving higher, having tested in this area. You can see the market pushing prices down and then the buying coming into the market there, green candle, and the market eventually making its way higher on the overnight. So just a small trade yesterday, but I did alert you to the fact that they would have support in this area here at 165.82, so profits could have been taken on this sell trade. There were two other trades, they weren't qualified, which means that prices didn't fill the order within 3 bars following the signal, and they became unqualified and invalid. So the market's moving higher this morning. Not a lot to report really, it's just sideways to higher. Let's have a look on the news, see what we've got for today. We've got unemployment claims and core retail sales from the US. They're at 12:30, normally 1:30, but because the US have put their clocks forward already last weekend, then we can see that the news is going to be an hour earlier than normal, and will be for next week too, until the UK goes on to BST time a week on Saturday. So we've got just a couple of high impact news items. We've got one of the governors speaking from the Federal Reserve at 2 p.m. and then there's the Fed budget balance at 6 p.m. But they're medium impact news items. And let's just have a look at some of the other time frames just to see what happened yesterday. No trades that were qualified on the euro, which is a shame because the market moved higher, but we took the 4th bar here before the euro qualified at the DP level there to move higher. In the Oz, we had one short down to the support 1. Market retested this before moving higher as well. So the US dollar moving lower, probably in part to Obama talking to one of the Ukraine diplomats at the moment. He's obviously winding up the war machine once more. And in the 60 minutes, again, we had the short down to the same support area that we saw in the daily chart, the 165.82. So we can see there that the market's just moving higher on the overnight, and it's a case of seeing what it really does. There's not an awful lot to report today. There are some high impact news items out around 12:30, so that may give us a few other trades. But at the moment, the market up on some obviously other news that's been released early this morning into the markets. All the traders are finding the chance to move prices higher at the moment. So really, that's it. In the daily charts, you can see we've got these areas already marked, and in fact we just need to redraw this one because it was drawn off the low to this high. So let's just redraw this potential target. Let me remove a few others just to reduce the confusion. We get rid of that as well. So should the market move higher today, then you want to expect some resistance again around the 167.32 area should prices drive up to that sort of area. If prices are to move lower, then I will use this low to this high, and I would expect some support in these areas here. So should the market turn around and move south, that's what I would expect. So make a note of these numbers and keep them in mind should the market move in either or of these directions. Right, that's it from me. A brief one this morning. And have a great day. Thank you for your support. It's very much appreciated. I will speak to you tomorrow. As ever, thanks for watching.